The two parrots. One day, a hunter caught two chicks from a parrot's nest. He put both the chicks in a cage. After a few days, one of the chicks slipped out of the open cage door and flew away. The other chick remained with the hunter. The first chick flew to a sage's hut and took shelter there. The hunter had friendship with many notorious criminals and robbers. They would often visit his house and hatch the plans of robbery. The parrot had been seeing those notorious visitors every day and learning their languages. One day, a king came to the forest for hunting. While chasing a deer, he came close to the hunter's hut. The parrot cried out sharply, "A visitor is coming! Be ready to rob him!" Scared with these remarks, the king pulled the rein and rode away swiftly. The parrot's call chased him from behind. "Kill him! Kill him! He is running away!" After trotting some distance, the king came across yet another hut. Outside the hut, there was a parrot sitting. The parrot spoke in a sweet voice. "Welcome, O honorable guest. Please come inside and sit comfortably." The king was amazed to see such a well mannered parrot. That very moment, a sage came out of the hut and welcomed the king. It was the hut of a sage. The parrot again said, "Please drink cold water and have some fruits." Then the king could not remain quiet. He asked the sage, "Oh, learned man, I met a similar looking parrot in the hut of a hunter. The parrot was rude. He was speaking in foul and threatening language. Here I am seeing this parrot who speaks nicely and is very well behaved. Why is this difference?" The sage smiled. "It's because of the company in which the birds are living. Here, this parrot listened to the nice and gentle words, so he is learning the same. Perhaps the other parrot is in the contact of wrong people and thus learning their language. Always live in a good company as it has a great impact on our personality and behavior."